everyone, my name is Ngoc Nguyen. Today I'm going to present about solubility table. Not all ionic compounds dissolve, so I think instead of doing experiments all the time to see which ones will dissolve, we actually must use solubility table. Firstly, we must know about the definition of solubility table. So, what is the definition of it? A solubility table refers to a table with a list of ions and how they mix with other ions. They can become precipitates or remain aqueous. The following chart shows solubilities of various compounds in water at a pressure of 1 atm and at room temperature. Secondly, we must know how to use the solubility table. What is the meaning of soluble? Soluble means dissolving in water. Therefore, AQ is the state used. Not only we have soluble compounds, we also have insoluble compounds, which means they do not dissolve in water. S is the state used for this one. Besides the definition and the methods of solubility table, the rules is also important because it helps us to identify which elements are soluble or which ones are not. Nitrates, NO3 are soluble, exception, none. Halides, halogens, Cl are soluble, exception, Ag, Hg, Cu, Pb. Sulfates, SO4 are soluble, exception, Ca, Sr, Ba, Pb, Hg, Ag. Sulfides, S are insoluble, exception, NH4 ions of group 1 and 2. Carbonates, CO3 are insoluble, exception, NH4 ions of group 1. Phosphate, PO4 are insoluble, exception, NH4 ions of group 1. Hydroxides are insoluble, exception, BaSr ions of group 1. Although the rules on the last page I gave you guys is helpful, I also provide this table for you guys to recognize and know better about soluble and insoluble compounds. Cation, Li, Na, K, Rb, Cs, NH4 combined with anions NO3, CH3COO, and ClO3 give us the result of soluble compounds. Exceptions: calcium chloride is insoluble. Ag, Pb, Hg combined with anions CO3, PO4, O, S, and OH give us the result of insoluble compounds. Exception: barium oxides and barium hydroxides are soluble. Anions Cl, Br, I, R give us the result soluble. Cation Ba, Ca, Sr give us the result of insoluble compounds. Cation Mg, Cu, Zn, Fe, and Al combined with anion SO4 give us the result of soluble compounds. Next, I will give you guys some small examples. Which of the following are soluble in water? A. NaNO3, B. SrSO4, C. PbCl2. A. We have NaNO3. As you guys can see on the table, we have a cation Na combined with anion NO3 will give us the result of soluble. So we have the answer is soluble. B. We have SrSO4. As you guys can see on this cation, we have Sr. Sr always give us the result of insoluble, so we have the result insoluble. C. We have PbCl2. As you can see on this cation, we have PP and we don't have Cl here, so we just answered it insoluble. And also we have it in shape. It's done for small examples. Next, I will give you guys some complicated examples for you guys to know better about it. This is some more double displacement reactions. As you guys can see on the solubility table, we have hydroxides are insoluble, exception BaSr ions of group 1. Because we have Ba hydroxide here, so we stay at Aq here. And for CaCl2, we have halides, halogen are soluble, exception Ag, HgCO, and PP, so we stay at Aq. For number 1, we have sodium hydroxide. It stays as aqueous. Combined with silver nitrates, it so stay aqueous. For this reaction, we have Na combined with NO3, we will have sodium nitrate, and Ag we combine with OH will become silver hydroxide like this. And based on this table, we will have Ag combined with OH will give us the result of insoluble, and Na combined with NO3 will give us the result of soluble. This is the final answer. Number 2, we will have NH4 as stay at Aq combined with Fe SO4, it will stay Aq. And for FeS, we have, as you can see, certified as insoluble, exception NH4 ions of group 1 and 2. Because Fe don't have in ions of group 1 or 2, so we just stay at solid. For reaction number 3, we have BaCl2 and CaOH2. For BaCl2, we stay at Aq, and for CaOH2, we stay at Aq. The reaction gives us the result of BaOH and CaCl. As you can see on the solubility table, we have hydroxides are insoluble, exception BaSr ions of group 1. Because we have Ba hydroxide here, so we stay at Aq here. And for CaCl2, we have halides, halogen are soluble, exception Ag, HgCO, and PP, so we stay at Aq. It's done! Thank you for your listening.